This wasn't a theory, it was a challenge I set for myself. Could I make $1,000 in 1 week, starting from absolute zero? No email list, no audience, just a laptop and a system. 7 days later, this was the result, and I documented every single step. This is the exact 3-part sprint I ran to make it happen. Welcome to BotBuilt, where we test financial strategies in real time. This isn't about a side hustle you grind at for months. This was a sprint, a hyper-focused 1-week burst of activity designed to create a specific result. And it all started with choosing the right weapon. Phase overview. 3 sleek tiles appear: the offer, the outreach, and the close. This sprint moves fast with one clear step at a time. First, define the package. Next, target the right prospects. Finally, close and deliver with confidence. The progress bar climbs to about 15%. Momentum matters. Stay with me, and we'll build from step 1. Phase 1, the offer. I didn't have time to build a product, so I sold my time and expertise in a packaged format. I chose a service I knew had high perceived value, the LinkedIn profile revamp for job seekers. The package, I offered a 1-hour audit and rewrite of their LinkedIn profile headline, about section, and experience bullets to attract recruiters. The price, I priced it at $250. This is crucial. A low price seems desperate. A $250 price signals high value and meant I only needed 4 clients to hit my goal. The setup, all free. I built a single-page website on Card explaining the offer. I set up a Calendly link for booking. Total setup time, 3 hours. Phase 2, the outreach. This is where the sprint happened. I didn't spam. I targeted 2 specific groups of people who were already in pain. Channel 1, LinkedIn. I searched for posts with phrases like, "Unfortunately, I was part of the recent layoffs at," or "actively seeking new opportunities in." I sent a personalized connection request followed by a helpful message. Channel 2, Fiverr. I browsed the resume writing category and looked at the reviews. I found people who said things like, "Great, but I wish it included LinkedIn." I reached out to them directly via Fiverr's messaging system. The exact script. My message was, "Hi, name. I saw you're looking for a job, working on your resume. I specialize in optimizing LinkedIn profiles to get more visibility from recruiters. I have a 1-hour audit service for $250 if you'd like a professional edge. No pressure either way." I sent 5 to 10 of these per day. Phase 3, the close and delivery. When someone said yes, I made the process flawless. The booking. They clicked my Calendly, booked a slot, and paid up front via Stripe. This qualified them instantly. The delivery system. Before the call, I did a 15-minute audit of their profile. On the 30-minute Zoom call, I shared my screen and walked them through my edits live. They saw the value being created in real time. The result. By the end of the week, I had conducted 4 of these sessions. 4 clients x 250 earns $1,000. The actual work time was about 6 hours. The rest was marketing and admin. Let's be real. Days 2 and 3 were brutal. The silence is deafening. I almost quit. But on day 4, I got my first yes. That one yes changes everything. It validates the entire system. This sprint isn't for the faint of heart. It's for the stubborn. The $1,000 was great, but the real prize was proving the system. This sprint framework, package, target, deliver, can be applied to countless other services. The money was just proof that it works. What's a skill you have that you could package into a $250 1-hour service? Let me know in the comments. To help you run your own sprint, I've put a free The 1K Sprint cheat sheet in the description with my exact scripts and pricing formulas. If you're ready to stop wondering and start earning, subscribe to BotBuilt. Your 1-week sprint starts now.